Stop closing your pool without doing this. Most pool owners skip it, and that's why they open up their pool to cloudy water, ugly stains, or even a bleached out liner. This one step is the difference between opening up to a swamp or crystal clear water. And if you miss it, you're looking at days of cleanup and hundreds spent in chemicals come spring. Here's the truth. Even if your pool is covered, it doesn't mean your water is frozen in time. Chlorine burns off, leaves and debris sneak underneath the cover, and algae spores just sit there waiting for the first warm day to explode. If you don't prep your water the right way before closing, you're setting yourself up for a big spring headache and a big bill. Now here's where most pool owners go wrong. Shock. Regular summer shock burns off in a few days, great after a pool party, but by spring, it's completely gone. Winter shock, the kind that comes in a winterizing kit, is different. It's designed to last months in cold water, so your chlorine doesn't crash while your pool's covered. Quick question, have you ever opened your pool up to green water in spring? Drop a yes or no, because I'm curious how common this really is. Here's exactly how to do it right. Balance your water first. pH between 7.2 and 7.6, alkalinity 80 to 120, and calcium hardness 200 to 400. If your water's out of range, shock doesn't work right, and you risk stains or scaling. Add your winter shock. Follow the instructions on your kit you're using. Run your pump. Circulate at least 3 to 4 hours so everything mixes together. Then cover the pool. Don't rush it. Closing too soon traps uneven chemicals. And here's where most people get it wrong. Adding winter kit shock at the wrong time. Always wait until your water is under 65 degrees because that's when algae basically stops growing. Shocking in daylight. Add it in dusk so the sun doesn't burn it off. Overshocking. More isn't better. Too much can fade liners or even rough up plaster. Stick to the directions. Skipping algicide. Shock kills what's there now. Algicide keeps new spores from growing. That combo gives you the cleanest spring opening. Want to go next level? Add a stain and scale preventer if you have hard water. It should also be included in your winter kit. It keeps metals and calcium from leaving ugly stains. Mid-winter, brush leaves off your cover and check water level so your pump and cover don't get too stressed. So here's your checklist. Balance your water, use winter kit shock, not just summer shock, circulate before covering, and close at the right temp under 65 degrees at dusk with algicide if possible. That's how you open to clear water instead of a swamp. And just as important, don't wait too long to open in spring. Once your water is back up above 65 degrees, your algae wakes back up. So that's when you want to pull off the cover and start circulating. If this helped, hit like so YouTube shows this to more pool owners. Drop a comment if you've ever opened up to green water because I'm curious how common this really is. And if you got a friend that has a pool, share this video. It could save them a huge headache in the spring. Too much shock?